Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, June 17th. We just got to the studio and I'm feeling really good. Yesterday, we decided, you know what? We got this live performance thing all set up and ready to go. Let's just hit record. See what happens. And then I recorded it all in mono instead of stereo, and so I got to do it again. But it all went really well. I'm basically DJ blending tracks, playing a melody live, as well as stem mixing an entire track. So I've broken the track up into like bass, percussion, synth, whatever. And I'm basically playing that live by clip launching in Ableton. Really awesome stuff to learn if you're thinking about doing the live performance thing. So we're gonna get that all finalized, get that handed in, and then you know what? We will be done the major projects for the level 3 finals. What we got left is one of my very favorite things about Icon Collective, Art of Flow. I've said it a few times, but I'm going to say it again just for the new people watching. Top 3 favorite things about Icon: Art of Flow, mentor sessions, Q&As. Try not to miss a Q&A when it's happening in the moment. Some of them aren't recorded, so that opportunity could be gone forever. Other than that, Icon does post most of them in their online portal, which is really handy for after you graduate. You actually still have access to most of the Q&As. Right now we're talking about everything starts with nothing, but it's basically enabling you to tap into the nothingness, tap into the fact that a painting starts with a blank canvas. Your track starts with complete silence. And so we're basically learning how to tap into that nothingness, how to sit in silence, how to understand listening to our intuition. Some really amazing concepts. We're having a good day. It's Thursday, so it's the back half of this final week of level 3. We're killing it. We are absolutely killing it. I'll definitely let you know at the end of the week how I did for finals, and I'll probably include my little live show performance at the end of this week's video. I hope all you other Icon students are killing it for finals. Let's get back to Art of Flow. Guess what, everybody? We were able to hand in our Ableton Live Performance final, and it's already marked. We got both of our finals back already, which means after finalizing and handing in our sound design final as well, the major projects are done and marked. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? 98% on our live performance final and 91% on our sound design final. Wow. I'm so happy about that. My other final was a keys theory final, and as you know, for the online course, there's a review program, and you have to hit a certain percentage to technically pass, but they encourage you to continue to go to 100%. So the only thing we have left are those Art of Flow classes, and then we will be officially done level 3. Oh my god, this is crazy. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, June 18th, the end of finals week. And so for Art of Flow, we are talking about the power of nothingness. The fact that everything starts from nothing. How do I explain it? It's kind of like I am not the source of my intuition. It is that in the stillness, in the nothingness, I seem to pull that intuition out of nowhere. And then from there, that inspiration, I'm able to then turn nothing into something. I personally really love this outlook because it removes the pressure to think that I need to come up with all these amazing ideas in order to get recognized or make it. If I really think about it from a conscious or unconscious level, a lot of the melodies that I write, I kind of literally seem to pull out of nowhere. A lot of the ideas that I have and the way that things unfold, I'm not sure I could even replicate that teaching it. That just goes to show that a lot of the process is just allowing things to unfold. I think in producing, most people call it the happy accidents, but it's actually the tapping into our creative potential that allows those kinds of things to happen. And then over time, over a buildup of these happy accidents, our sound develops. We don't develop our sound develops itself. And I know that might seem a little hippy-dippy deep, but it just feels true. If you're a producer, like, how many times have you thought, oh my God, this is the best thing I have ever made? How the heck did I do this? This is so good. And that's the beautiful thing about art and the beautiful thing about creation. Today's also an exciting day because I am finally getting this hair dealt with. Good afternoon, everybody. How about this angle we got going on? We just got back to the studio. Back to the studio, you say? Where were you? What were you doing? Take a look at this. Pink hair, don't care. Look at this, everybody. Woo! I love it. I absolutely love it. Pink, hot, pink. Pink guy, pink hot guy, pink guy hot, hot guy pink summer, pink guy hot summer, pink hot guy summer. Nothing like handing in your final assignment for level 3, passing level 3 with flying colors, and then treating yourself by going and getting your hair done. Am I right or am I right? Feels so good. Oh, it's so much shorter and manageable and nice. I love it. But anyways, you know what? It's around 4:30-ish, and we just ordered pizza and wings. We're gonna go home, we're gonna eat, we're gonna chill. Level 3 is done. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, June 19th. We just got to the studio, and already we got Serum open, we got Dune open, we got our keyboard going, we got breakfast behind us. We are ready to go for this Sound Design Saturday. We know we passed everything. We know we will be moving on to level 4. We're just waiting for the final confirmation. I'm super pumped to show you what we come up with today. Welcome back to another episode of Sound Design Saturday. So one of the things I really like to do is if I download a sample pack or an artist release an EP or an album, I'll kind of just peruse through the sample pack and or album, and I'll pick out a whole bunch of different sounds that I like, and then I'll try to recreate those sounds from scratch in a different synth. We found this amazing sample pack by Mercurial, and so we basically went through it, picked out a whole bunch of our favorites, and then recreated them. So for this, it's not about copying, it's a lot more about just trying to understand how the sounds were made, recreating them, but putting my own twist on the sounds. Whether that means I make it brighter, or pluckier, or darker. It's all about getting experimental with it and pushing myself and what I know about sound design. So I think we got about 11 or 12 sounds that we made today. I'll meet you over by the computer. All right, here we go. Basic melodic techno pluck. Brutiful bass. Cute little pluck. Distort heaven pluck. Nice fun techno pluck. Reese's Pieces bass. Simple little pluck. Spacey pluck bass. Starry sky pluck. Super duper pad lead. And last up, the techno saw lead. So as you can see, a wide variety of sounds. The cool part about analyzing this preset pack is I noticed there's a ton of movement in these sounds. I was able to actually import the wave files from the Serum sample pack into Dune, and then using an LFO, I can kind of make things ebb and flow and move, so there's constantly something going on. It's not just one static stab or pluck or bass, which really just gives the track a great feel when you're playing it. The last Sound Design Saturday of level 3 done. Let's actually take a look at how many presets we made. We pretty much used Dune the most, so let's give a little count. Over the course of 3 months, we have made approximately 75 presets on Dune alone. This doesn't include Spire, Serum, or Silent, which we probably made anywhere from about 5 to 12 presets when we used those synths. All in all, we're sitting around 120 presets that we've made by ourselves from scratch with the knowledge that we've gained at Icon. Just as a little recap again, I was a big preset layerer. I could affect presets, layer them together, make them sound quite nice, but learning the foundation of sound design has taken things to the next level for me. My goal is by the end of the year, I want to officially release a preset pack. All right, that is it for Sound Design Saturday. Bye.